welcome back to Life Princess Eyes with Pallavi. Today is a DIY day. I love creating things, just getting down and dirty with my hands, making new things, discovering things, experimenting, failing, and then maybe sometimes even ending up with something beautiful. Motivation behind this video is simply an impulsive shopping trip to my favorite craft store. So these are the guys who came to my rescue the last time as well when I wanted to do this candle making video, and I bought some stuff from Itsy Bitsy then as well. Let me just show you what I found and why it was so irresistible. So I found this glitter plaster of Paris, and honestly, in the heart of my hearts, I'm still like a 5-year-old little girl who goes glitter and sparkle, and I'm so obsessed with anything glittery. So when I saw this, I knew I could not leave it. So it's literally been a month since I got this, and then it struck me that I could use doilies to create something very pretty for my terrace, some nice decor. So in today's videos, we are going to try and cover these doilies with glitter POP. First, let me tell you what all we need. We need glitter POP. Now, I understand you might not be able to find this all the time. So what you can also do is just buy normal POP, and all these craft stores will have tons of glitter that you can buy separately. I don't know why it never struck me before that we can combine these two things. You need doilies. Now I have got everything from mom's house, all different shapes and sizes. I'm going to see what works. A disposable plate, disposable katoris, disposable spoon, disposable glass, because POP sets so quickly and it becomes really hard. So you don't want to spoil your utensils for that. Measuring cups, because you don't want to go wrong with it. Some kind of stick also if the spoon is not working very well. A plastic sheet or some newspapers to cover the floor and protect it. At least I need it because I'm super messy when I'm doing my crafts. Some normal tap water. And the last and most important ingredient of crafts night, Vino. Not for you if you're below 25. Okay, let's get crafting. I've got my hair tied up in work mode and I'm so pumped about this. So firstly, we'll start by mixing our POP in the ratio of 2:1. So that's 2 parts of POP to 1 part of water. I don't even remember the last time I played or worked with POP. If I'm right, it was in 3rd grade when we made those models of an active volcano with lava spewing out. I don't think I have touched POP since then. Guys, be ready to get your hands dirty for this one. No point of bachawing the sheet, my floor is a mess already. So, half a cup of glitter POP. Look at that, just look how pretty. Water here, pour it in slowly and keep mixing as you go. Okay, this is way prettier than I imagined. I kind of thought it would be like white with little specks of glitter in it, but it's turning out to be silver. Okay, I need to move faster. Switching to the stick. Yeah, that's better. So one of the videos that I looked at for a tutorial said that you have to keep mixing till it reaches like a pancake batter kind of consistency. And I think mine is still much runnier than that. So I'm going to keep mixing, and if need be, just add a little more POP. And I've decided to start with one of these beautiful round lace doilies, and I'm just going to put this on the plate and pour. Dude, that is so pretty. I don't even care if this experiment fails. And now with this stick, I'm just going to even it out. Act faster, move quickly, Pallavi. I can now just sit back, relax with my glass of wine, because these guys need to dry overnight. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. I woke up so excited today to check on my POP doilies. This is going to be the moment of truth. Let's check it out. I'm just going to carefully tear the edges off. Okay, not bad. I've got it up in one piece. And now, carefully remove the doily. So I've got half a doily here and half a doily here, which actually works for me because I can then put them up individually and I can have more pieces. So I think the main takeaway here is that I need to put on a thicker layer of POP, but I love how this has turned out as well. It seems very cool and artistic, and I love the glitter element. I hope you enjoyed this process as well. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me your comments if you enjoy DIY just as much as I do.